It took quite a beating from Hurricane Matthew, and it was cracking, it was peeling, and it was just not in very good shape, and it had to be addressed one way or the other. I did not have any other bids. No, I was very satisfied with the quote, and just took it was I got the quote in one day, and we did the deal in one day. I was totally unaware that how much work is involved, and it was, again, it's just as Tim said, it would be one day to take it out and one day to put it in, and I mean, these guys worked very hard and they did an outstanding job. The looks, it's really nice, it's neat, it's clean, and it was the way to go, and it's been the envy of the neighborhood since we put it in.